Diving into the world of nutrition can sometimes feel like a deep-sea adventure, especially when you're trying to navigate the best choices for a specific health condition. For those with diabetes, understanding dietary choices is even more vital. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey to discover the 7 best fish for diabetics. So grab your metaphorical snorkels and fins, and let's dive right in. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. First, let's set the stage with a bit of context. Diabetes is a condition where the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't use insulin effectively. This leads to elevated blood sugar levels. Now, while there isn't a one-size-fits-all diet for diabetes, certain foods can help stabilize blood sugar levels and offer other health benefits. Enter our aquatic friends, the fish. Fish, especially certain types, are a boon for diabetics. They're loaded with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, lean protein, and vital minerals. But with so many fish in the sea, pun intended, which ones should you be adding to your plate? Let's count them down from 7 to 1, saving the best for last. Our journey begins with tilapia. This white fish might not win any beauty contests in the aquatic world, but when it comes to health benefits, it's a star. Widely available and affordable, tilapia is a fantastic source of lean protein. According to a study published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders, incorporating tilapia into one's diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels. The protein richness ensures glucose is released steadily into the bloodstream, avoiding those dreaded spikes. And from a culinary perspective, oh, the versatility. Whether baked, grilled, or pan-seared, tilapia is a delight. Swimming ahead, we find the regal salmon. This pink-hued delight is almost synonymous with health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is more than just a tasty treat. A study featured in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that those who consumed salmon regularly had a decreased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The omega-3 fatty acids play a dual role, not only improving insulin sensitivity, but also providing heart health benefits, an essential consideration since diabetics often have an elevated risk of heart issues. Next in line are the tiny yet mighty sardines. These small fish are nutrition powerhouses. Packed to the brim with omega-3s, vitamin D, and calcium, sardines are a diabetic's ally. Research from the Diabetes Care Journal emphasized the anti-inflammatory properties of sardines. Given that inflammation is a concern for those with diabetes, adding sardines to one's diet can be a proactive step towards better health. And let's not forget the convenience factor. From cans to fresh grills, sardines are both handy and delightful. Speaking of delightful, who can resist the buttery goodness of trout? Another excellent fish for diabetics, trout offers a good dose of lean protein. A study in the European Journal of Nutrition emphasized the role of trout in promoting heart health. With diabetes often leading to heart-related complications, trout becomes an essential addition to a diabetic diet. Swimming closer to our top spot, we have mackerel. This fish is often overshadowed by its more popular counterparts, but it's a hidden gem in the diabetic nutrition world. Mackerel's high content of omega-3 fatty acids has been linked to improved blood sugar regulation, as per a study in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism. The penultimate fish on our list is none other than herring. Often enjoyed pickled, this fish is a nutrient dynamo. It's been observed in numerous studies, such as those in the Journal of Diabetic Medicine, that herring can play a role in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Its combination of essential fatty acids and proteins makes it a must-have for those watching their blood sugar levels. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, the number one fish for diabetics is, drumroll please, anchovies. These tiny fish are often relegated to being a mere pizza topping, but their health benefits are colossal. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and other vital nutrients, anchovies are a boon for those with diabetes. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of Diabetes Research highlighted that regular consumption of anchovies can significantly improve insulin sensitivity, making them a top choice for diabetics. Aside from choosing the best fish for diabetics, there are many other things you can do to manage diabetes and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Here are some recommendations. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity is crucial for managing diabetes. Exercise helps lower blood sugar levels by allowing your cells to use glucose for energy without the need for insulin. It also improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar. Monitor blood sugar. Regularly monitoring your blood sugar levels is like keeping track of your financial budget. It provides valuable data on how your body responds to different foods, activities, and medications. By understanding your blood sugar patterns, you can make informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle choices. Balanced diet. While fish is a great choice, a balanced diet is essential. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Include plenty of vegetables, lean proteins like poultry, tofu, and legumes, whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa, and healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Fiber-rich foods can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Portion control. Managing portion sizes is crucial for controlling calorie intake and preventing blood sugar spikes. Use measuring cups and pay attention to serving sizes on nutrition labels. Overeating, even healthy foods, can lead to higher blood sugar levels. Stress management. Chronic stress can elevate blood sugar levels. Practicing stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies can help you manage stress effectively. Regular checkups. Consistent medical checkups are essential for monitoring your diabetes and overall health. Your healthcare provider can assess your condition, adjust your treatment plan if necessary, and provide guidance on managing your diabetes effectively. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is vital for overall health. Staying hydrated can help prevent complications associated with diabetes, such as kidney issues and high blood pressure. Limit sugary drinks and alcohol, as they can raise blood sugar levels. Sleep well. Poor sleep can negatively impact blood sugar control. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a comfortable sleep environment can help improve sleep quality. Medication adherence. If your healthcare provider prescribes medication, take it as directed. Medications can help control blood sugar levels when diet and exercise alone are not sufficient. Regular medical checkups. Diabetes can affect various parts of your body, including your eyes, feet, and oral health. Regular checkups with eye specialists, podiatrists, and dentists can help detect and prevent diabetes-related complications early. Quit smoking. Smoking is a significant risk factor for cardiovascular disease, which is a common complication of diabetes. Quitting smoking can improve your overall health and reduce your risk of diabetes-related complications. In conclusion, the ocean offers a treasure trove of options for those looking to manage their diabetes through diet. From the lean protein of tilapia to the omega-3 richness of anchovies, there's a fish out there for every palate and preference. So the next time you're at the seafood counter, remember this list and make a choice that's not just delicious, but also diabetic friendly.